Ari singum katharwi Sunday khreri iramatu khai sangkhami wang ningsagre aman khre ceremony matui khre Sunday ri matui khai sangmi aman sakraina khuriga thumang ningdre pastor khani tikan kala church wi ranye sami dar khaibingna church wi pulpit ministry share sangrom khaibang hedadam mi ningsidre Christmas ajon thang cham kup sangai re New Year pekar kar phokai re nu thu wang ga da khra ma thei thura yu wang ajugum Christmas kuinen naina kup sang khai tha ji ne khangcha hoksa sarai ram zum na ajugum football mang reu thu khangji da ma tho na jon thang ri mai jesper na ajugum amra thu yang ji no ri ma thu ye khangreu ram ma yang thu silang mai da 심막 범 사시제 열나우 모르송 사르 바이 이후 열나우 에다 심쿨 피크닉 잡들이 심막 가이카 or 파자 룸 미사우트 사웨 그히 심막가 그 다르그람 때문에 시디리 그 펌핑 아주고 뭐 크리스마스 이점점 아이나 굽상 가이다이 히 precaution 가 퀴르장아이 at the same time adam나 마타라 마지도기다 precaution ga khuwa arongni chungna da yarui magazibra ada yauthui shok sala picnic wa sala da gaja jashi chakngro khai thai I think it's a needed precaution though da kham guida ijam da gup sangai sala khratang rin ga family pin or family son now being precaution khuir ga ijam da Christmas mion sangai ka kai ba malai samra da pninge Hikata Adam Hidi, Jose, sermon Maturo, the Pastor Victor and Hank Radam Saran, topic to Sakshadam no one he, Matui Shijadam Nate had the key Matuo, secret the Jugramuki, Seasa Sashi Shungajatamne. But Adamnam Taramaji Sala, Iwi Ningajang, Jose. As the sermon hing Naraga Razan Gatum Nanum, the Shimhan Kung Adam Sarana, Ningli Kamtan Sambanguno, the Jahan Samiruno, Ning Kulum Sambangaga, Uno, you is Siaga sermon hing Nalaga, that motivate Sakami, encourage Sakami Sambanguno, which you is Agazane. The year 2020 hit us hard, Tata, me, Rene to me. Chok Nrogawe, mentally, personally, spiritually, economically, Sazing Rogaire. I don't know about you personally. Ilarigatam now Sadi with the Chingumui or Kasawa, only Chankani, attempt the adjustment Kasari Shimanawe. Big time opportunity, Yali scholarship, something like research of Sakhavang, opportunity Sangapang Shimanawe. Hostali Bamaugi, I struggle with isolation, Kasakza. Arrangement because how you jot you are damiri like is your home evangelist no worry nang John made the imam rairam chunga damning John Mikai leader hada as a family loss of income alternative income kapari struggle kasazang hada chota kaina government ni otmak having alternative income kapa loss of income loss of livelihood family but I very likely ito may tangkol much beyond my family hiwi alternative income kapahiri shimniruno hiruno kasakleng rogawi hata ari as the whole country struggles chot rogawi the para kamiruno kachangjang wi otang wi kasakzaruno arrangement kasari chot rogai da shim migrate sawo ka ara khnauri or ramri umpam roga alternative income power economically taraka sazang rogai rei thuma roni tangkhul now Bangalore we na meeting kharang the shimongai re kai khava mahan rawi mra da handre permanent ne hanung kai ne kai khava hadangai ron on the now that adana ro the hidata kjot adam hiri tada ji tada shimongau ga dangau ni ga ji ka kapam kai khabi ma salary percentage cut side 50% ka shun the cut sami kai jang da ne kjangjang wi phara khami management kasai rearrange kasai tarak adap kasale da khine hida da economically thumni phitkai he it's a very disappointing time. Kajang kani shimanai big time opportunity ina gathai mi le no aj kum yearly or scholarship sambang raga ikdam namning ho o chadar khaibing yearly shock raga opportunity sambang o hidi company o some opportunity le saraga pandemic kharaina opportunity shimanai da or shimkuru opportunity shimanai da disappoint sarak khai. So hida economically or pandemic mi mau khraina chau sing nang ngai ram ji sala chamri rau gida itumni traka disappointment le khai roni mentally traka disturb sami kai disappoint chakshira in sa khai spiritually church raga ngai sala maraka it has tested us mentally, it has tested us spiritually. Church raga raga sia sagoi sei gi hila three da hapok raga service kadam ni dum makareng raga Zoom service kasahi kangacha hada connection ma later to the kai of Zoom service kasahi ran how about them YouTube malai na sarga now the mi hangai wi thurga. Not only that, literally some of us were tested physically. Itum arongni kazaraga as a family kaza iwings so now being kazaraga really pasad chotra kaina that physically test saraga struggles haraga kai khavrai re kai khavrai ma mandre ga post recovery hi chotra kaina idar khai yang mazang wi thui je kazai ka ara phikar he the struggle kya ka clear ni as we step into the new year phikar kar kai re ka karwa how do we step in to new old reality? COVID-19 strain, rao yer de tap make the spread sadare the you geri 24 within 24 hours 50,000 spread side the news later. India Bangalore only michat kazai the news shock today. Hida the tension later or disappointment later struggle later khayatam hiri. How do we step into the new year? New year hida the phekar karsangshi. I wish I can say that everything is all right, but it's not. Everything is not okay. Hikata mit hitaka kata reality he face saraga karsangshi. She could ngaira kan leader hadam hikata disturb saraga leader khai disappointing sarana khai struggle face sadar khayadong ni kata the phikar karsangshi. Hebrews chapter 11 wena encourage sami ngai. Now, faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of things not seen. Indeed, by faith, our ancestors received a approval. By faith, we understand that the worlds were prepared by the word of God, so that what is seen was made through things that are not visible. Mam thak na shok ni ka chakshi shok ni kar mathaim ne phikar kar ga sang hiri Hebrews 11 ga pa hi pa khui ga ithumni tom khami message sampang no ji iwi ning chang ne ka hi ka pa dam saran apong khni na pang sak ngai iwa Hebrews chapter 11 ni chua damwi church member bing na hi pa ga khu dam saran Hebrews 11 pa khu dam ni ka tha pa khu sani khrayang the readers Adam we readers original readers context aina pa hoi ngai ga ithum ara tangkhon naw ping Bangalore later khaibing arama ka jigathana YouTube ring na ga pa na hui dar khaibing no we own context aina text in iri ka thada matimi ri iri shim khuli ka thada matimi ri ithum tangkhon naw ri ka thada matimi ri or much beyond that ithum mai tangkhon naw ri kan chok ga chat khang dei ri ka thada matimi ri the maching sa ngai so to full perspective text we original ka text aina ra yang ga itu may context struggle later kaya adam hidi paikar ka thada karsang si da hadam message chi minga ye chu adam ni ka thakra jika Hebrews ka be ba hina chui church member bing jaw se thada original readers bing hi struggle face how gi adam hidi ka be leather no jena athumni sang hi mashimana irunda encourage sak hoy ka be leather ne or be bound Hebrews Evelyn hi pa hoy ka natumna Hebrews chapter 10 verses 32 to 39 ya ka ana natum mangari vreshi saraga chatra hairi natumna ka chot sambang hai phaniung ro da hangai yari mangari chishuri sit ka sang wi wa ngai na yari mangari khing sak khai le sa jine chishuri ka shuru wi mangai na atumni phatobi tok sang khai le sa jine chishuri shairaga mirin khringai na athumni atumui ot ngpon thuye raga mai shi ra kaina chot ra kaina ring ra khai le sa jne chena ara atumui ki struggle ka exactly matai thu da struggle face how ga jadam hi ri atum hyak khamangari chot rai re kha chot khrai hi shit ka sang wi mangai na kui sang kui jot ping hi kui sang bang ra ga phai kar gar kui ari ga jot sang bang wi da le da ga hi shit ka sang le ra ga ji han le ra ga shit ka sang ai na phai kar gar kui ra ga struggle khare ji de kui sang bang khwai wang da ka bi le da na wa thum ni ka tom mi ji ne chena ra Hebrews 11 hi ka tyo ka thuk mai da yang sai ja dam saran. This text is also known as the Hall of Faith or Heroes of Faith, the who's and who's of the Old Testament. Old Testament we are only shit ka sangai na otsak sang ga demonstrate sa khai bing aming mention mitra da chi ga mention sai de hi wing a chai hi shna khamang mention sai ina adoi hang deng Hebrews 11 hi original context ri struggle ka sadam ri ka tommi khai wang na bi ne itumi context ai na da nga shanung na ga pang ngai itumi context ri Bible ka badam saran we have our own struggles aru adam hi itumi struggles challenges leader ka hi pasang na ga chiwi mangmaning na itumi arung ri mernaw shinau the inclusive sara kaina ring vai wang society khrenga dam hi shinau ri mission ri magazang da shinau ri mention mazar masang ra leader ka hi shinau ri inclusive samai da pang sa ngai Hebrews 11 hi ri mi trada chi ka name sa khai ri rahab the prostitute mang ri mention sai de awi shit ka sang wi wang kana tum na Bible khenga dam saran you would find amazing women of God shit ka sang wi wang shit ka sa arumi very jahan ka shit ka sangai na ring ji thai gai sang sa rai Noah na Abraham na Moses na kringain kasangai na ring jithai gai da Sarah na Deborah na Vasti na Mary Magdalene na ring jithai gai shikasangai na ring jithai gai shikasangai na demonstrate saraga ring jithai gai. The fascinating thing about this text is this iko Verena ngashit mi gai le raga shit kasang arung ni phekar kar hui jine phekar kar hui hi atumi athai mang zapyang jinowa shit sang raga very shruwa hai nei and they are named for their faith ka atumi mirin we adamri Moses promised land he had a glimpse mang thai wam nei Abraham ring shit khai ungram jira am thai khim nei awa thai na we now thai Sira ya khare ji am thai khim nei atumi lifetime ni ki pa kham thai khim nei Vastina ari chipata kaina aunga na yarui mangari ra ga awi ngara kham thamang jik them ning na ta ma hong ra kaina ra ga mai sira kaina rang ning no do hora ga na turn down sa khai wi influence thousands of years later mishnau tra khri liberate sami dre Judges wing jairi Deborah mangri mention sai as a judge, as a deliverer, as a prophetess, awi mirinina shnao kasada mitrakri inspires hamidre. Moses we character na thousands of years later anar shikasai na Israelites pini kangashok liberate sakmi ponde china legsa captivate sai ga legsa he ana ngur shok mi wang varying yulaga ngur shok mi wang free sami haje ajmi trakri inspire saraga phekar kar ko saktre ko. Beautiful thing about this text is this in a pashok mikene yet all this though they were commended for their faith did not receive what was promised since God had provided something better so that they would not without us be made perfect atumi mi rinri manga sapyang khui chinawa atumi promise saraga atumna shit sangraga zatwa hai idumi mi rinwi shongzari struggle kya ha face sare krama them ne irun no we family run no mirin me shongza new year va gi da phekar karwa dar gi katha da karwa ni kram mathem ne challenges what will be thrown towards or hurled towards us or your family mathem ne kashit ka sangai na phekar kar sangai ko aru ya tumna mi ping hirin name sa khai in original being mer now being name sa khai being he they demonstrated their faith in action athai ji awi lifetime ri ma hat kui sala, and their faith was perfected in Jesus. Hebrews chapter 12 ri jishui mirina na awi thumi shikasan ri perfect rasa hai jithai mi wishide jishui na agup sang naga jishuri hada climax sami itumna New Year karsa iwa sermon sarak maji phong na gup sang ro ko hada nikni warong ni phekar karsang oguji karsang bhogai re khni thangai re aje date third ne New Year karsang oguji hi karsang phokai hi kachot kachang ras harbai ring phara sarbai ring shi ras harbai kha kachihan leiraka shit kasang arong ni phekar kangser sangai ko itum athai itumi lifetime ri athai ma hat ka khim sang bang sarbai shit kasangai na khari mai bang. But long after you're gone, Vasti na miri inspire sami khaiji. Long after you're gone, Moses na miri inspire sami raga itum ri phekar kar khui sakai hada. Let your life inspire many people in the days to come. But let it be perfected in Christ. Hot na phase, mask sang phase, hand sanitizer sang phase, social distance maintain sa phase, care khui phase. Gachu arong ni very chahan raga very shit sang raga phekar kar khui se da. Kadom khami tui hang raga hen gup sang okay ni share.